So just as a hint, most of these, because they're hard to find, are kind of stolen from previous homework questions. So also maybe before submitting this one, take a look and see if you see any similar structures that can give you some hints to name them outright. So there's a ton of stuff going on this, but the first thing that you should look into is be like, oh wow, okay, there's a double bond right here. That means I'm dealing with an alkene, and it also means that both carbons involved in this double bond need to be part of my main chain. So seeing as this is at the end, this is probably going to be the start of my main chain instead of using this carbon. So this carbon has to be part of the main chain as well as this one, because that's one of the rules of an alkene. So our main chain is going to go all the carbons along as far as we can, and that's going to be our main chain. So however many carbons that is, say it's 6, it'd be a hexene, say it's 8, it'd be an octene, whatever it is, there's our main chain. Anything that's not part of it, like this guy, this guy, this F, this C, those are all going to be alkyl groups, or have to be named in front in alphabetical order, right? So we have to do that, and we also have to figure out which number carbon is going to get it. So if this is going to be carbon 1, or if this is going to be carbon 1. So main chain, we've got an alkene. Anything that isn't part of our main chain is going to have to be named separately. There might be multiples of the same stuff, obviously. Both of these are just single carbons. And making sure we number it in the right direction. Oh, and looking at the homework to see if it already exists elsewhere.